Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Great Start Academy from St. Elizabeth up against Excelsior Primary from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Kadeen Foot, and the action begins right now. Now, earlier we had the coin toss and Excelsior Primary won and decided to send in Great Start Academy first. So we'll begin with Great Start Academy. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the clock and start with Bible knowledge. Great Start, how many times did Jesus' disciple Peter deny him?
3 times. 3 times!
Thank you, but we don't need to shout. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Excelsior, Bible knowledge for you. What sign or event followed Peter's last denial of Jesus?
A crow on a cross. A crow on a cross. The crow of a cock.
That is correct. Signs for Great Start. What is the name for the bouncing back of light rays?
Reflection.
Reflection.
Correct. Excelsior, what is another name for the bouncing back of sound waves?
I know this. Just say something. Reflection.
Reflection.
Incorrect, it's echo. Jamaican affairs, Great Start, complete the Jamaican proverb. Ano laka tongue make cow?
Speak. Move.
Incorrect, not talk. Excelsior, complete the proverb, the Jamaican proverb, that is. You can't tan pan cow back and cuss.
The cow cough.
The cow.
The cow cough.
The cow.
Incorrect, cow skin or cow kin. English language, Great Start. What is the past participle of the word drink?
Drunk.
Correct. Excelsior, what is the past participle of the word wear?
Worn.
Correct. Television, Great Start. What is the name of the villain in the movie Puss in Boots 1?
Neil O'Brien.
Incorrect, it's Humpty Dumpty. Excelsior, what is the name of the character who plays the villain in the movie Shrek Forever After?
Captain Fortsworth.
Incorrect, it's Rumpelstiltskin. General knowledge, Great Start. In which country would you find the Kremlin?
Guyana.
Incorrect, it's Russia. Excelsior, in which country would you find the Angel Falls?
Canada.
Incorrect, it's Venezuela. Social studies, Great Start. What name is given to the layer of earth on which we live?
The crust.
The crust.
Correct. Excelsior, what name is given to the layer of the earth that is below the crust?
Mantle.
The mantle.
Correct. Music, Great Start. A Whole New World is the title of a theme song in which animated movie?
Aladdin.
Correct. Excelsior, Hakuna Matata is the title of a theme song in which animated movie?
Lion King.
Correct. Mathematics, Great Start. What is the Roman numeral for 134?
CIIX.
Incorrect. It's CXXXIV. Excelsior, what is the Roman numeral for 155?
In the lead.
CL and V.
The bell beat you to it, so it passes to Great Start. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Okay, it's CLV. Sports, Great Start. For which national football team does Christian Romero play?
Chelsea.
No. National Argentina.
Correct. Excelsior. For which national football team does Neymar Jr. play?
Brazil.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, Great Start. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Ano CMD leaf go a water bottom?
Itago grow.
Incorrect, it's rotten. Excelsior, according to the Jamaican proverb, what is better than pocket money?
Good friend.
Good friend.
Correct. And that is the end of section 1, with our scores showing Great Start Academy on 6 and Excelsior Primary also on 6. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.